Call to 315-798-5795, Oneida County Clerk's Office.
County Clerk's Office.
Yes, this is Dan.
It is.
Okay, hi Dan. This is Desiree Yagan. I talked to you yesterday.
How you doing today?
Little distressed because I was given a variety of conflicting answers to my to the issue about inspecting the records.
Right. I called the chief clerk this morning because I wanted to get to the bottom of it myself.
And what is her name?
Kathy Aiello.
Could you spell her last name? Because I'm writing so I can take notes. That's why I have you on speaker.
It's A-I-E-L-L-O.
Great. Okay.
And so I spoke with her, and we're under the consensus that you'll be able to break into that sealed file. I mean, it's your file. Just bring photo ID.
Okay.
But we got to dig it up, and it's not in the house. So we've put an order in for it. I did find another case that you started, or it was a civil action case.
Yeah,
there's not much in it.
Right. That one was, I sought to unseal, unseal it. But, I'd also want to take a look at that also. But
okay, yep. So I do have that one. That was in-house. And then the O2, that's the only one I found. I put an order for it. So as soon as we get that, you're going to be, I'm waiting to hear back from Kathy because she wants to review it herself.
Okay.
And then, so it's going to be a couple days, but I was sick of the runaround yesterday I was getting, because I was trying to find out answers in the behind the scenes, and because I was hearing conflicting, nope, she can't, yes, she can, no, she can. So I called right to the boss over there.
Yeah, I'm glad you did, because I was going to talk to you and then speak with Kathy. But since this is already in the process, so that's...
So I've put the order in this morning.
Okay.
And maybe a day or two.
Okay.
Because it was 2002 what I'm looking at, and that was a while ago. But they're all organized, and I should have that.
Okay. And just for my information, where are they held? The ones that
we have an outside storage facility out in Westmoreland, New York, outside of Rome. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, because federal court cases, I knew it would be in New York State, but federal, it goes clear across the United States to quite a distance.
Oh, really?
Yes, it does. They have a federal rec place where they, there's a place, I think not Colorado, but way out there, and it's quite a process to have those cases, any records brought back from there. But I knew since this is state that it would be retained here in the area. Great.
Absolutely.
Okay. Yep. Could I have the fax number in case I want to send a fax to what's her first? Kathy. Yeah.
And what do you need from me?
The fax number. Your fax number.
My fax number here is...
Well, actually, to Kathy. I mean, yeah.
Because, see, I don't know what it is over there.
Okay.
But if you want to hold on, I'll call and find out.
Okay, well, can you give me her direct number, and I'll call and ask?
The number I have is 315... 266...
Okay.
4200, and then just ask for Kathy Aiello.
Great. Yeah, I'll do that. I might want to send a confirmation of this conversation. I knew that...
Sure.
I actually knew what the law was because years ago I didn't understand it, and I've had quite a learning curve through 10 years of self-schooled at the SU College of Law. So
good for you.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, so don't fret about it.
Okay, great.
And we got balls,
things aren't
wheels are in motion.
Great.
And you're not hitting a dead end here.
Okay.
Trying to help you, okay?
Right. Well, with me, nothing's. When I know I'm right on the law, I can become very proficient at navigating. I knew that I did know and ultimately believe that Kathy would agree that this is my right under law. But if there wasn't, then I would proceed on writ of mandamus, which is to compel an officer to comply with the statute. That's strictly if it's a statutory requirement under law, and for some reason, if the officer wasn't. But I didn't want to have to go through that process, and I did.
Absolutely not.
So anyway, okay, well, great, Dan. I appreciate it, and I'll give you my phone number.
Okay.
So that
go ahead.
It's 315-440-6133.
315-440-6133.
That's correct.
Okay,
well,
I will keep this handy, and as soon as I get what I need, I'll give you a call, but you're welcome to call back, and because sometimes I got to push this guy to get his stuff. That building where this stuff is houses public assistance records, and so, he's very much in demand, and his workload is heavy, but we have an in, so it shouldn't be more than a couple days.
Okay, very good. I appreciate it, and I will be talking to you.
Okay, very good. Have a good day.
Thank you, Dan. Goodbye.
You're welcome.